So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codelopment. If you are a final year engineering student or planning your major project and feeling confused about which topic to choose, then this video is going to help you a lot. So in this video, I'm going to share 30 real-world Flutter final year project ideas that are practical, useful and easy to explain during your viva. These are not boring theoretical projects. These are ideas that solve real world problems and it actually can be used in real life. For every project, I will explain what the idea is, why it is important, how you can build it and why it is a strong final year project. So make sure you watch till the end because some of the best ideas are coming later in the video. So let's start. So project number 1 is personalized learning path generator. This project is about building an app that understands how a student learns and then suggests what they should study next. Many students feel confused because they don't know which topic to focus on or how to improve weak subjects. This app solves that problem by tracking test scores, completed lessons and practice results, then recommending a proper learning sequence. You can implement this using Flutter for the interface, a backend to store progress and simple logic to decide next steps. This project is important because it focuses on education improvement and is very relatable for both students and teachers, making it easy to explain during evaluation as well. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section so we can give you the source code as soon as possible and absolutely free. Project number 2 is IoT enabled smart agriculture system. This project focuses on helping farmers monitor their crops using a mobile application. The app shows information like soil moisture, temperature and water level either from real sensors or simulated data. Farmers usually depend on guesswork, which leads to water wastage and crop loss. Using this app, they can make better decisions directly from their phone. You can build this using Flutter for the app and connect sensor data through APIs. This project is considered strong because it combines technology with real-world agriculture problems and has a clear social impact. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 3 is blockchain-based supply chain transparency app. This project tracks products from the producer to the final customer, especially useful for items like coffee, handicrafts or original goods. Customers often don't know whether a product is original or ethically sourced. This app shows each step of the product journey in a transparent way. You can implement it by assigning a unique ID to each product and storing transactions steps securely. This project is important because it builds trust between sellers and buyers and looks like a professional industry level application. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 4 is AR interior design and furniture placement app. This app allows users to see how furniture or decor will look inside their room before buying it. Many people regret purchases because they cannot visualize the final look. Using the phone camera, users can place virtual furniture in real space. You can build this with Flutter and camera integration along with basic 3D models. This project stands out because it is visually impressive and shows advanced mobile app capabilities, which makes examiners and interviewers very interested. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 5 is personalized healthcare assistant with wearable integration. This project is a health monitoring app that collects basic health data like steps, heart rate or reminders for medicine. People often forget to take medicines or ignore early health signs. This app helps users to stay consistent by sending alerts and showing health trends. You can implement it using Flutter and sample wearable data or APIs. This project is important because healthcare apps are always relevant and show responsibility toward user well-being. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 6 is a smart timetable generation app. This project solves the problem of manual timetable creation in colleges, which often causes clashes between classes, teachers and rooms. The app automatically generates a timetable after taking subject and teacher inputs. You can build this using Flutter for the interface and logical rules to avoid conflicts. This project is useful because colleges actually face this issue and it clearly shows problem solving and logical thinking. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 7 is on-demand fuel delivery app. This app allows users to order fuel directly to their vehicle location. It is useful during emergencies when fuel stations are far away. The app includes location tracking, order placement, and delivery assignment. You can implement it using Flutter with map integration and backend for orders. This project looks like a real startup idea and shows how technology can solve practical daily life problems. If you need source code, we already have its source code. Write the project name in the comment section. Project number 8 is EV charging station finder app. This project helps electric vehicle users find nearby charging stations easily. With the rise of electric vehicles, charging availability is a major concern. The app shows nearby stations, directions, and availability status. You can build this using Flutter and Map APIs. This project is important because it focuses on future transportation needs sustainability. Project number 9 is Co-working Space Finder. This app helps freelancers and startups find a book shared office spaces. With remote work becoming common, many people need flexible workspaces. The app allows users to search locations, view pricing, and book spaces. You can implement this using Flutter, location services, and payment integration. This project feels modern and business oriented, making it a good final year choice. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe Codelopment so we can give you priority in order to give you the source code. Project number 10 is Women Safety Application. This project focuses on personal safety and emergency response. The app allows users to send alerts, share live location, and active emergency features quickly. Safety is a major concern and technology can help respond faster. You can build this using Flutter with GPS and messaging services. This project is highly valued because it addresses a serious social issue and is easy to justify academically. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 11 is Food Donation and Wastage Reduction Platform. This app connects people or restaurants with extra food to NGOs and individuals in need. Large amounts of food are wasted daily, while many people remain hungry. The app allows donors to post food availability and NGOs to request pickups. You can implement it using Flutter and a simple backend. This project has a strong social impact and demonstrates responsible use of technology. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 12 is AI-based skin disease detection app. This project allows users to upload images of skin conditions and get a basic suggestions. Many people ignore early symptoms due to lack of awareness. The app helps in early identification. You can build it using Flutter and connect it to a pre-trained model or API. This project is important because it combines healthcare with image processing and shows innovation. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 13 is Real-Time Language Translation app. This app helps users to translate a spoken or written language instantly. It is useful for travelers, students, and professionals. The app takes voice or text input and displays translated output. You can implement it using Flutter and available translation services. This project is strong because it solves a common communication problem and has a global usability. Project number 14 is Local Business Directory app. This project helps users find nearby local shops and services easily. Many small businesses struggle with visibility. The app lists businesses with location, contact details, and reviews. You can build it using Flutter with map integration. This project supports local communities and is simple yet very practical. Project number 15 is IoT Device Control Panel app. This app allows users to control multiple smart devices from one place. Managing different apps for different devices is inconvenient. The app shows device status and allows control actions. You can implement this using Flutter and simulated IoT data. This project fits well with smart home concepts and modern technology trends. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 16 is Campus Companion app. This app brings all college related information into one place. Students often miss announcements, schedules, or events. The app includes notices, timetables, and communication features. You can build it using Flutter and a backend for data storage. This project is ideal for college evaluation because it directly improves campus life. Project number 17 is face recognition attendance system. This project automates attendance using facial recognition and location verification. It reduces proxy attendance and saves time. The app captures images and marks attendance automatically. You can implement it using Flutter and face recognition APIs. This project is popular because it modernizes traditional attendance system. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. The next project is remote patient monitoring app. This app helps doctors monitor patients remotely by tracking basic health inputs. It reduces unnecessary hospital visits and helps in continuous care. You can build it using Flutter with health data inputs and alerts. The project is important because it supports healthcare accessibility. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 19 is mental health tracking app. This project focuses on emotional well-being by allowing users to track mood and stress levels. Mental health is often ignored, especially among students. The app provides daily check-ins and helpful resources. You can implement it using Flutter and simple data visualization. This project is meaningful and socially responsible. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 20 is a smart waste management system. This app helps manage waste collection and complaints in cities or campuses. Users can report issue and track pickup status. You can build it using Flutter with location services. This project supports cleanliness and smart city concepts, making it very relevant. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Public transport crowd monitoring app. This app shows how crowded buses or trains are at different times. It helps people plan travel better. The app uses user inputs or prediction logic. You can implement it using Flutter and basic analytics. This project improves public convenience and transport planning. Project number 22 is local services booking app. This app allows users to book services like plumbers or electricians easily. Finding trusted service providers is often difficult. The app lists services, allows booking, and supports communication. You can build it using Flutter and backend services. This project is very close to real business applications. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. 23. Second-hand marketplace for students. This app allows students to buy and sell used items within their college. Students often need affordable options. The app includes product listing, chat, and college verification. You can implement using Flutter and a database. This project is highly relatable and practical. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 24 is carbon footprint tracking app. The app tracks daily activities and shows environmental impact. It helps users become more aware of their habits. You can build it using Flutter and simple calculation logic. This project promotes sustainability and environmental responsibility. Project number 25 is NGO Volunteer Management app. This app helps NGOs manage volunteers and events efficiently. NGOs often face coordination problem. The app allows volunteer registration and task management. You can implement it using Flutter and backend storage. This project highlights social contribution through technology. Project number 26 is Secure Personal Data Vault app. This project allows users to store important documents securely. Data privacy is a growing concern. The app uses authentication and encryption features. You can build it using Flutter with security libraries. This project is valuable because it focuses on user data protection. Project number 27 is Resume Analyzer app. This app helps students improve their resumes by analyzing content and suggesting improvements. Many students struggle during placements. You can implement it using Flutter and rule-based analysis. This project is placement focused and very useful for students. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Project number 28 is Smart Expense Manager app. This app helps users track daily expenses and understand spending habits. Many students don't manage finances properly. The app shows charts and monthly summarizes. You can build it using Flutter and local storage. This project is practical and easy to explain. Project number 29 is Disaster Alert and Emergency app. This app sends alerts during natural disasters and emergency. Timely information can save lives. You can implement it using Flutter with location-based alerts. This project has high importance due to its safety focuses. If you need source code, write the project name in the comment section. Last but not least, project number 30 is Blood Donation Matching app. This app connects blood donors with patients quickly during emergencies. Finding blood at the right time is difficult. The app matches donors based on locations and blood group. You can build it using Flutter and backend database. This project has a strong social impact and clear real-world value. So these were 30 real-world Flutter final year project ideas that you can actually build, explain confidently in Viva, and even show in placements. You don't have to choose all of them. Just pick any 2 or 3, understand them properly, and develop one solid project instead of trying to do everything. Now if you need source code, then do one simple thing. Write the project name you want in the comment section and we will start uploading the complete source code absolutely free, step by step. No paid stuff, no confusion, just proper working code that you can understand and modify. Also let me know in the comments which project you think is the best and which one you are planning to build for your final year. I personally read the comments and reply. And one more important thing, please share this video in your college WhatsApp or Telegram groups, because this video has 30 different project ideas and every student can choose a different one. This will help your friends also save time and avoid last minute stress. And finally, subscribe to the channel Codelopment. Once you subscribe, you will get priority access to source code uploads, project explanations, and report guidance much faster. All the best for your final year project. Keep building, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.